In this video, we're going to take a look at how you can set the incoming calls to banner or full screen on the iPhone 13 or iPhone 13 Pro. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, you want to tap on Settings, and in Settings, go down and tap on Phone. Next, go down here and tap on Incoming Calls. And then in here you can choose between banner or full screen. So for banner, this is what it will look like when you receive an incoming call. So that is banner. So now if we choose full screen, then this is what it looks like when you receive the incoming call in full screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.